So hello everyone, this is Prakriti Raghuvanshi, and today I will tell you how to save document in or spreadsheet in OpenOffice Calc, and we can save it with password as well. We can insert rows and columns or hide the rows and columns. So let's start. For this, first we have to open a spreadsheet. So this is the spreadsheet. Now we will type something. For example, if I type Prakriti, then we will go to File and Save option. So you can see save dialog box is there. So we can name, for example, I name it as 123, and you can see the save as type is ODF spreadsheet. ODS is open document spreadsheet. So you can we can see here the option is there, save with password. When we checkbox it, then we can save it with password. Now it is asking a password, set password dialog box. Now we will write a password. For example, I type 1234, and we have to type the same password here as well. Then we will click on OK. So the file is saved with the password. For example, I will tell you how to open it again. So you can see how I will open it. For example, I typed here 123. So here is the open document spreadsheet. We will open it. So you can see it has opened, and here is the enter password dialog box. The password we have taken is 123 and 4 as well. Then we will click on OK. So you can see this spreadsheet has opened. Now for example, you want to open it again from somewhere else. For example, if you open the file from school or some cyber cafe, so it may be possible that they do not have the OpenOffice Calc. So what to do in that case, I will tell you. So for that, we will go to File, Save As. Now you can see the Save As dialog box appear. Now you have Save As type. We have many options in this, and it is that most of the cyber cafes and schools have Microsoft Excel. So we will use the Excel format. For example, you can see Microsoft Excel is there, .xls. So we will click on there, and we can save it without password as well. Now we will save it. Now I will show you. So we have to save it in the current format, not in ODF format. So we will click on this. Now you can see 123.xls is there, and it is saved as in the Excel format. Now I will tell you how to insert rows and columns and hide as well. For example, I type here the student name. First we will take some data, and then we will try it. For example, we will take a student's name and the marks in the subject. So first I am taking English, then maths. For example, I have taken this data. Now I will tell you how to insert or hide rows and columns. For example, if we have to insert a column to have the registration number of the students, so we will click on this. We want the column after A, so we will click here and we will insert a column. So you can see a column is inserted, and the C and D, all the information have shifted. So now we can type here registration number. Let's say 1 and 2. So you can see a new column is created. Now we can hide it as well. For example, I will select it, and we have the option of hide. So you can see the column is hidden. You can see A, C, B is not appearing here. Now if you want to insert or hide rows and columns, I will tell you for the same. This is the data I have taken. We will, for example, if we want to hide this B column, then we will click here and click on hide. So you can see the B column is hidden. Now if you want to again want to see it, then we have to click on show. So you can see the B column is here. Now in case we want to hide and see the rows or columns, for example, I have taken this row. We will click on it. So if we want to hide the rows, we will click here and it has the option hide. So we will hide. You can see after 1, 3 is appearing, 2 is not there because 2 is hidden. So for example, I want to see row, then I have to click on show option. Like here, the show option is appearing. We will click on show and you can see the second row is there. For example, if we want to delete it, the delete row option is there. We can click on it and the row is deleted. You can see after 1, 2 is appearing and the Tanya 1 is deleted. So we will again see how to. So we will see how to delete the things which are written in the rows or columns. For example, if I take this row and here I click, so we have delete content option. It has several fields, for example, text, number, date, time, formulas, comments. So I just want to delete the text, then I will checkbox the text and remove others. Now I will click on OK and you will see that Ananya would be deleted. You can see these are numbers, so they did not delete. So this was for today. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video and comment on it. Thank you. You can join my Telegram channel as well.